Meaning of iodine.
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 Iodine. Iodine is a chemical element with the symbol I and atomic number 53. It is a nonmetallic element and exists as a lustrous, purple-black metallic solid at standard conditions that sublimes readily to form a violet gas. Iodine has several important uses, including in medicine as a disinfectant, in the production of certain dyes, and in the manufacture of thyroid hormones. In humans, iodine is an essential trace element, playing a crucial role in the functioning of the thyroid gland and helping to prevent iodine deficiency disorders.